So here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. So I had a patient who came in today and asked me about his dry hands, his dry feet in the middle of winter. And so I'm going to do that topic. And by the way, if there's a topic that you want me to cover, please list them in the comments below, because I greatly appreciate the ideas. A lot of times in winter, the ambient humidity of the air is less, and so our skin tends to dry out more. So there's a couple of tips for you. Number one, try not washing your hands as much. So use the waterless hand sanitizers when you need them. Remember, if you can't see any dirt on your hands, those waterless hand sanitizers will sanitize your hands better and they won't dry them out as much. Next, use those dish gloves that come all the way up to here when you're washing dishes or cleaning your house. You don't need your hands to be washed all day long every day or to be exposed to all the harsh chemicals we use to clean things like our sinks and toilets. The next is use a good lotion. So my favorites for the hands are CeraVe cream or Vanna cream. And you need to put these on multiple times throughout the day. And the most important time to put it on is right before you go to sleep at night. That way your hands are coated and the lotion has a longer time to work. For your feet, oftentimes we get a lot of extra skin there and they get very rough and thick. So there's usually products that you can use that will help with this. They don't help immediately. They do take about a month or so to start working. But my favorites are things with salicylic acid in them. My favorite for the feet is CeraVe SA for salicylic acid. And all you do is you put it on your feet and then you put your socks right on, and you do that a couple times a day. You will notice that after 3, 4, or 5 weeks that your feet, they don't have as much dead built up skin protein on them and they're a lot softer.